What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be changing out the headlight. I got the LED halo headlamp from Custom Dynamics. Really excited to see what this looks like. And to finish it off, we got the headlight bucket. A very nice bucket, has a black finish on there, and it's going to be a really nice addition and change to this look over here. Right now it's just this plastic piece. That was something from Memphis Shades just to kind of cover it with the fairing on, but without the fairing it just looks unfinished. I want to clean this up. I want to go back to that raw, visceral, lean and mean lowrider S, and I want to feel the wind. I don't know, just want to switch it up. Been feeling like stripping everything and just keeping it bare bones. So hopefully this is an easy install. We have the bracket that you need. So we'll be switching out the bracket and hopefully everything else is just plug and play. All right, let's unbox this and see what we're dealing with here. Was this open already? Okay, so this is the headlights. LED headlight, pretty simple. Just got a little plug-in adapter right there. And here is the headlight buckets. Oh yeah. We got the plug for the LED light. I guess we just plug that in. Let's remove the old housing and plug this guy in. First thing we need to do is try to remove this over here. Loosen that guy out. Got the old one out. The new one plugged in. Now we're going to remove this bracket. There's the old bracket. There's the new bracket. New, old. The width is skinnier. This one doesn't have an extender. I feel like this angle, it's like really close. We'll give it a whirl, see how it goes. Wow. It's on. High beams. This should be the proper alignment of this little bracket in here. Got the two knobs on top, and then this is the thing we need. So there's like a notch right here that needs to fit through there. Put this in. There we go. Ow. There we go. There we go. You gotta feel this, bring the micro mass in place so you guys can hear that. Woo. Last thing we gotta do is shine her up a bit. Oops, got a little too happy. But overall guys, I'm really happy with the way this turned out. Super clean looking. I love the black trim on here. I love the new LED headlight with the ring on there and the black interior. Just makes the front end look a lot more slick, in my opinion. I'm sure I'm gonna miss the fairing and all that wind protection, but I think I'm gonna enjoy this new raw look. Let me know what y'all think. The new setup without the fairing. Kind of reminds me of a street bob now. It's almost sunset, so let's take the bike out on a ride. Got the new headlight installed. Let's check it out. Oh yeah, I love the halo. Looks super clean. Very nice. And let's see what it's like to vlog without the windscreen. Hopefully y'all can still hear the audio. Man, the wind feels so nice. It's time to get out of here. Let me know what you guys think of the new look, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace out, y'all. Crazy. It's like the White House right there.